Start wiping Grout Haze as soon as the grout has set for 20 minutes to prevent a dull film and restore the tile shine. Work in small sections and use a firm, well-wrung sponge wiped diagonally across the tiles to avoid digging grout out of the joints. After the initial wipe, wait until the haze reappears, which can take 10 to 30 minutes, then repeat the diagonal wiping. This cycle removes the bulk of the film while preserving grout density. For stubborn haze, use a commercially labeled Grout Haze remover that is safe for your tile type, following the product instructions for dilution and dwell time, and always test in an inconspicuous corner first. Avoid acidic cleaners on natural stone because they can etch the surface. Instead, use a neutral pH cleaner or a product specifically formulated for stone. Rinse thoroughly with clean water between steps, and change rinse water frequently to prevent redepositing residue. Finish by buffing with a microfiber cloth or a soft cotton towel to bring out the tile sheen, and check grout joints for any thinning that would require a small touch-up. Common mistakes include wiping too soon while the grout is still fluid, which pulls grout from the joints and creates gaps. Always wait at least 20 minutes for the initial set before doing the first wipe. Another issue is using abrasive pads or overly acidic cleaners on sensitive tiles, which can scratch or etch surfaces. Use non-abrasive sponges and pH-appropriate products and test first. A third concern is inadequate rinsing that leaves streaks and residue. Change rinse water often and perform a final clean water rinse followed by buffing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and posts project details so we can find the right help based on scope and budget. We also host a discussion community where we share tips and ask questions, and contractors use our site to find work and respond to homeowner needs.